Hey y'all, Country Girl MRE here, and this is part 2 of my vlog. I'm going to introduce y'all to my family now, and my dogs and bird and whatnot. So anyway, here we go. Let's see. Sergeant, say hi, buddy. You say hi? Say hello. This is Sergeant. He turned 13 weeks old yesterday. And his sister, Ladybug, is right here. Say hi, Mama. Say hi. They were born same litter, same day. So both 13 weeks old as of yesterday, Thursday. They were both born on Thanksgiving 2018. And they are my babies. And here's the rest of my babies right here. This is my husband, Scotty. Y'all have heard him before in some of the videos. This is Chloe right here. Can you say hi? She's 7 years old. This is my oldest daughter, Gianna. She's 8. And this is my youngest. This is Josie, and she is 5. Yeah. They have a brother named Michael and Alex, but their brother Michael, I have 4 biological kids, as I explained to y'all earlier. I'm trying to find a recent picture of my son. Yeah, here we go. Sorry. Anyway, here we go. I'll show you. And my oldest is my son Michael, which he's right here in this picture. This is actually a week or about 2 weeks ago. We met them halfway in Virginia, in Ashland, Virginia, at the Cracker Barrel, and ate. And because we didn't get to see him or my dad or my stepmom for Christmas, so we met with them, and I got all these recent pictures. And then I have my stepson Alex. He's going to kill me if he ever watches this for putting this picture up. This is my stepson. This is Alex. This is an older picture of him. He is going to be 19 in July on the 25th. This is the OCD in me. I got to put things right back where they go. Anyway, here's the dogs. This video is probably going to be the quickest. Hold on, it's really blurry. Let me see if I can get it to. Anyway, hold on. Do you girls like MREs?
Yes!
What about you, Scotty?
Some of them good.
You like that jalapeno?
I said some of them's good. I ain't had all of them. The ones
Yeah.
I've had so far was good.
Yeah.
Ladybug, do you like it?
Yeah, the dogs, they do get some of the leftovers out of the MREs that I don't finish when I do my filming. But he's picking up pieces of not cereal. I don't know why the heck I said that. Dog food that they didn't finish. And y'all are tearing up my plant. No. Anyway, we're going to go in here and I'm going to introduce y'all to the birds. Well, 2 of the birds. I don't know if you can see him, but right there, that is Rio. I rescue birds as well as dogs. I know I mentioned in the part 1 that I do rescue dogs. Dogs of all breeds, but primarily large breed dogs. And I also do with birds of all sizes. I've got years and years of experience with tropical birds, and I love them. But I got him from a baby, and I hand-fed and weaned him myself, as well as this little guy right here. This is Blue. He is a blue Quaker, or blue Quaker parrot. And this little guy, look, they're playing. See, when I film, they stay in my room. And I shut the door because my kitchen is right there. And this is the sounds that y'all hear through the door when I'm filming. And see, he's going up under the bed. And look, there she is. See? And there they go. This is what y'all hear. Anyway, but this is Blue. I also got him from a baby, and I hand fed and weaned him myself. And if you know anything about tropical birds, they get bonded to one person just as they would in the wild. And let's see. Come here. Do you want to step up? Do you want to step up? Do you want to step up? Say step up. You say step up. You say step up. Say peekaboo. Peekaboo. Say peekaboo. Peekaboo. What you doing? He does say peekaboo, but I also have a phone sitting right in front of his face, and he's like, what is that about? Can you say peekaboo? Peekaboo. Where you going? What are you doing? What you doing? Hold on. I'm going to have to get him. Hold on. Let me step up. Here we go. Say hi. And there they're playing again. But anyway, wanted to introduce you to everybody. And I'm going to tell you something. When my dogs play, they play rough. They're arguing over a leaf that they tore off of my plant. But anyway, this is my family, y'all. And, oh, I also wanted to show y'all how I record. This is my board that y'all see at the beginning of most videos that I decorated with camouflage duct tape. And believe it or not, I hand wrote this with nail polish. And the other thing I wanted to show y'all was how I record. Now, I don't know how well you can see this, but this is my vacuum cleaner. And this attached to the front is a selfie stick that is attached, as you see, with zip ties. Now, I'm telling you something. If this isn't redneck, I'll tell you. All right. And I take it when I film, because I told y'all I don't have a tripod that'll hold my phone. So I have fashioned my selfie stick that I never actually used as a selfie stick with zip ties. And when I film, I flip it around this way so that my phone will be here. And look, it extends way up. And this is how I film. And I bring the vacuum into the kitchen, and there go my dogs. And that is how I film. So I work with what I got, and it seems to be working at the moment. And I appreciate all my subscribers. Say thank y'all for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Right?
Say like, share,
Share
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Say, and y'all come back now.
Come back now.
You hear?
Here.
All right, y'all. I'll talk to you later. Bye.